On PC, go to the website in the link below and scroll down until you see the setup customserver.bat download. If your antivirus blocks it, continue to the website. Right-click on the file and click Run as administrator. Then follow the install process. The script will then inject the modded regions into your Among Us game. On iOS or Android, open the Among Us app. You want the app to be opened, but don't force close the game. Without force closing the game, go to a browser and go to the NicoCat website found in the video description. Scroll down until you find Nico NA. NA stands for North America. Click on Nico NA, and your browser should ask if you want to open Among Us. Tap Yes if it does. Then, go to Find Game, and make sure you have Nico NA as a region of choice. I will be hosting modded lobbies in that region. Official Inner Sloth regions like North America, Europe, and Asia are not modded regions and will not allow modded hosts to create games with more than 15 players in a single lobby. Modded regions like Nico servers allows modded hosts to expand player count beyond 15.